The first step is to select a 1-year-old healthy branch of your magnolia tree. Make 2 cuts around the stem in the outer skin, remove the skin and scrap lightly. This is the stem with skin removed. Roots will grow here. Rub the gel of aloe vera leaf on the scrapped portion. This will encourage roots formation. Now prepare the rooting medium bag. Take a polythene bag and fill in it some damp sphagnum moss, coir peat or compost. Make a slit in the bag and wrap it around the scrapped portion of the magnolia branch. Wrap another polythene sheet to seal the rooting medium and wait for the stem to grow roots. The top part of the plant is going to be your new plant. In air layering, we do not cut the cutting from the stem, but it is still attached to the plant while growing roots. If it is too hot, and you feel the bag is getting dry, spray some water to hydrate it again. The stem will grow roots in a few weeks, depending on temperature and type of stem. If stem is too hard, it may take months to root. After 2 months, the branch had grown a bud and I could see some roots in the bag. So I cut the plant here. Now take a pot and fill it with free-draining nutrition-rich soil and plant this rooted cutting in it. Place in shade and keep soil damp. You may enclose the new plant in a polythene bag for a few weeks to maintain high humidity, as it is quite big having so many leaves, and the roots are yet not that strong. We got this new magnolia plant in just 2 months by layering method. If you propagate from the cutting, then this size of magnolia will grow in a year and it will flower in 2 years. This is the advantage of layering process. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.